thanks for joining me to color. Today we're going to be doing this adorable Whimsy Stamps image called Cuddly Ride. Isn't this just too cute? I always love the Sylvia Zett images. They're just so adorable every single time. So I'll go ahead and put a link to this card kit down in the description box. You will have to go to the store blog to buy this one. I'm in the process of closing the store, so it'll be closed the middle of August. So I have it over on the store blog listed with a buy it now button. So if you're interested in this card kit, definitely head over to the store blog and grab it up before it's gone, because usually these adorable Whimsy Stamps Sylvia Zett images do not last that long. So if you want one, don't wait. Head over and grab it up. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the coloring because, you know, you don't need me to talk clear through all that. Plus, I don't think I could talk for 10 minutes. I don't know what I'd talk about. So anyway, I'll see you towards the end of the video and we'll have another chat. All right, so you made it through all the coloring of our cute little image there. Now we're going to put our card kit together. Everything is included in the card kit, so all you have to do is get it out, stamp your image, color the cute little image, and then stick it all together. This card kit actually comes with a little packet of pink sequins too, so you can decorate your card a little bit more with those. The ones I use here are out of a mixed little packet or a jar of sequins, so the ones that I put in the packet, I did not give you the exact same kind. I just opened up the little Ziploc bag and I dumped some in there, so you may get a little bit different colors than what I've used here. For the little sentiment there, you're going to get a yellow one and a black one. So what I did is I stuck them together, and they're a little bit offset, and then I popped them up on some pop dots. Nothing fancy there. But anyway, I hope you had fun coloring and putting your card together. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. That really helps my channel out. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and do that and hit the little bell next to that so you'll be notified whenever I do a new video, or if I'm doing a live class, you can hop over and join me and we can chat. So I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!